Here we have Audi A4 A7 2007. Problem is hinge is damaged. Hinge is very low. Doors locked very badly. Try to replace that hinge. We'll see. That's the brand new hinge, genuine Audi. That's it. I try to replace today, so when I'll be loosening the hinge, then I hang two doors on the rows. I hope that will hold them, so we'll see. For a moving hinge, we have to rip one bolt here, that one here. One is at the very back, and one comes from inside. So we have to take off the piece of interior, and we try to loosen the nuts here. So the span what we need for them, it's Torx 45. Gentle pull it up, the clips will go, and that's the interior small bit. Oh, sorry. The ball must be at the very back. If you take off the fuse box cover, take off the small trim, then this one goes sideways. Put it back. We try to. At the back of that box, there's a. If you stick the finger inside, press the small clip. Yeah. It's flipping, and one bolt is in the top hole. Spanner 13. One bolt of the hinge is moving. Three more. In the meantime, I protect the mirror and door from scratching small bit tape here. So this Torx, as you see, is slightly bit too long, so all I use is a standard small one. What is that? 45 years. Come on. And spanner 10. Oh, she's tight. She's tight, yes. Off you go, yes. Red bolt now. Lights are falling, everything goes down, yes. Probably hard to see it now, but I jacked up the door small bit higher to get the extra space, but there's a spanner over there. As you see, flat spanner, yeah. He's ready to remove the final bolt here, so. Okay, so we try to remove. So far, the final bolt is moving fine, yes. Hold that door, yes, the hinges. Oh, come on. Come on. I just whipped the nut. That's it. That's our hinge. Causing the trouble, yes. That's it. We try to fit the new one instead of the old one, yes sir. What I'm doing is just try to keep the hinge on the place, so I stick this bolt first and that will hold them small bit on the place, yes sir. Try to put all the other bolts now, sir. In the meantime, I'm finishing doing the most awkward bolt at the back, yes sir. She's not too bad now. And 2 more here, 1 inside, and we try to adjust the doors. Up. Yep, all the bolts are tightened, hinge fitted. Now it's only a matter of rip the ropes, and probably small bit adjusting doors. All I can say, door works perfect. All the gaps, everything perfect. Broken mirror, but that would be next probably movie. Replace the new mirror. Sweet. That's it. All I can do now is pick it up the pieces, stick them back in, but that will be maximum 5 minutes, and a cup of coffee then. Thanks. Good luck.